Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am working on my mission inspiration for June. I know it's late. I have finished July, so that one will come next. But the prompt for June was a famous painting. I think that was the prompt. And I'm working in my little scrap journal that has clean off papers and just messy prints, and I picked this one because of the colors, but I don't think, well, that you might see like a teeny portion of a little bit of that color, but really I cover most of it up, getting down my sky and my ground. And we had to pick a famous painting, and I really kind of like impressionist sort of looking stuff, and so I was just, I googled, I googled impressionist paintings or something, and found this one. Might be familiar to you. Yeah, I'm no professional painter by any means, and it's really hard to get some of this stuff in such a small area. But I am doing The Woman with a Parasol. I think that's the official title, by Claude Monet. I think it's called that. Sometimes it's called Monet's Mother, I think. But yeah, I'm just trying to get it to look kind of like that, and that one was a horizontal or vertical format. I can't remember, but definitely not as wide as what I have, so I just kind of spread it across the whole double spread of my papers, and then try to line up the woman where she will fit on one side. If that makes sense. Sure, it makes sense. And now I'm putting in the ground, the grass, getting the dark in, and then I'll put the light on top, hoping that the paint I have, because I'm not getting more paint, is opaque. And it is. Looks like it is. And I'm just using acrylic paint. I did pull out, I believe I have some golden, possibly some Liquitex. Like, I was trying to look in Mission Inspiration to find the topic from back in June, because I'm sure it gave you a color choices, but it was too long ago. Too many people have posted. So yeah, I'm just adding some lighter colors on top so that the green's supposed to look like shadowy undergrowth. Well, technically it's supposed to look like what Claude Monet did. I can't remember if I stuck a photo of what it's supposed to look like in here. If I didn't, I'll put one at the end. You might see it on my phone or my iPad, because I think that's how I have it pulled up, so that I can look at it. Yeah, I was kind of stressing about creating this particular challenge. It doesn't look too bad on film, but in person, it's really poor. Just wait till you see her face. Oh my gosh, I can't paint a teeny face for the life of me. I'm lucky if I can get a face in the first place. Here I'm putting a base coat of white for her dress. And she's wearing, I don't know if she's wearing a white dress that just has blue from the surrounding area, or if it was a blue dress with white highlights, but it all works. Oh yeah, here I found it. It says fake it. Choose a famous painting and recreate it in your own style using any medium. Oh, and it had like a pale green, a pale blue, and a tan color. Well, we get green. Well, I don't know if that's a green or a funky yellow color, but it works. And she ends up looking quite wide. I think it's because I started her out too wide and couldn't make her taller, because then she'd go off the page and that wasn't gonna work. She did have a little bit of sunlight shining on her, so that's what I'm doing with that yellow, is trying to get some warmth in there a little bit. Yeah, I'm not sure if comparison would be bad for me, because I'm looking at the what I'm not sure. Okay, that's reproduction. This one says Claude Monet complete works. So maybe this one's really the real painting, because there's several and they each look slightly different just in the coloring, and I'm sure that's just the exposure. So that's supposed to be her parasol, and I think I get it too far to the left, so it ends up looking a little crooked. As you can tell. Maybe there was a gust of wind that kind of bent her parasol. Oh, and there's a little boy. I don't know if it's supposed to be a little Monet, little Claude. Of course, look at the size of the paintbrush I'm painting the faces with. Just giving her like a little scarf around her neck there. Oh, and here, I don't know if I show you all my attempts at the face, but yeah, there goes one. And didn't realize I had blue paint on my finger. So we cover that all over again. Putting some shadow underneath her. I think I brought that up a little too high. I should take a class on Impressionist painting in acrylics. Do you think they have such a class? Trying to get close enough to see what I'm doing. It's such a small area to paint. Well, I think I'm almost done. I hope you've enjoyed this train wreck. If you did, leave me a comment or give me a thumbs up. And there'll be a picture at the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.